You know, today is the start of Memorial Day weekend, and as we pay our respects to the fallen heroes, a lot of you will likely be traveling. We've talked about that this morning, or maybe hosting a barbecue with friends and family.
So our smart shopper, Chelsea Davis, is testing out some life hacks that might help you no matter what you do.
According to Wallet Hub, 60% of Americans plan to barbecue over the Memorial Day weekend, and 818 hot dogs are consumed every single second from Memorial Day to Labor Day. That's 7 billion in total. Sticking in a spear and cutting the hot dog while rotating it makes spiral dogs. In comparison, the regular hot dog cooked unevenly, and when you filled up the spiral dog with condiments, they went right into the ridges, making it less messy. So I'm gonna go with no bowl. What about cleaning the grill? We're putting a half-cut onion face down on the hot grill and using a fork to rub it on the grime. Compared to the scrubber, it did the same job, loosening up the baked-on grit. So for this natural option, I'm going with no bowl. Can't forget the pool fun. A storage container with ice and drinks is supposed to float, but does it? Yes! No bowl on the floating cooler. And what about a DIY sprinkler? I've seen a pool noodle taped on one side with holes poked in it and a hose through it. That would be a fun way to cool down. This one is no bowl. Want to try all of these out? Just go to our website, abc15.com/smartshopper.
How neat.
That last one is really cute for kids. They would just run around that all day long. And we have more hacks as well, not just for water fun, but in general for the weekend. So if you want to try them out, just go to our website.
I love the one with the sodas too floating.
Yes.
Good idea.
Surprise.